Changing your verification method on Coinbase is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your settings easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Coinbase website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile icon or the settings gear icon. Step 3. Select security settings. In the settings menu, look for the security or verification section. Click on it to view your current verification methods. Step 4. Choose a new verification method. Select the option to change or add a new verification method. You may have options like SMS, email, or authenticator apps. Choose the one you prefer. Step 5. Follow the prompts. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup of your new verification method. This may include entering a code sent to your new method for verification. After completing these steps, your verification method will be updated. Make sure to test it to ensure everything is working correctly.